Hello friend, welcome to Service Planet. Uh, this is a Samsung laptop model number 3555E. So let's check what is the problem. So if I press the power button, ampere consumed to 0.050, but no indicator glowing, or it's completely not start up. So let's open the motherboard and find the problem. So there is the motherboard, part number LA8868P. This board is already tempered and missing some component. So I found a missing component, that this is the 3 volt 5 volt area, and I found a missing capacitor here. So I fixed the capacitor here and check the problem is solved or not. So I fixed here a 220 microfarad 6.3 volt capacitor, and now I just check my problem is solved or not. You can see here my ampere reading, it's 0.004. When I push the power button, it's glowing and ampere increased to 300 above. But now it's on and off condition. I think my capacitor is little bit hot, so let's cool it again. Also I check at a time the display. Oh, I have a mistake here. It's fine. So look, my laptop is turned on, ampere in consuming, but after a few seconds it goes off. So I need to check the voltage, 3 volt 5 volt accurate or not. So that this is my 3.3 volt, and it should show 1.5 volt. Not possible. It's 1.5 volt. Okay. Oh, I see. My 5 volt section is here. So I got 3.3 volt, 5 volt is ready, but it not turn on. I am trying to remove the RAM. same case above. So let's find another fault. So friend, I found a rust area in VRM section. So I'll showing you in the zoom image. This is my VRM chip RT8870A, and you'll see this is the most rusty area, and pin number one pin is not connected to its location. So I'll fix it with some glue. Resistor, MOSFET, all solder point are very rustly. I need to change the capacitor. I think it is leakage. Look, it is a leakage capacitor. So I need to change the capacitor. So I am in. So I replaced the capacitor and it's look fine. My all track are connected. Now I need to clean the area. So let's check. So you can see here my ampere reading is increasing 300 to 800. I think my display will be okay. Here is USB 3.0 port, and so I connected the motherboard into the laptop and check it. I connected the LVDS cable. Now connecting the power button panel. Now I try to power on the laptop. Let's see, my laptop is ready, and I think USB will be okay. So let's check with hard disks. Because my USB is not showing. So now the USB LED is turned on, or my laptop is also running fine. So this is a complete case of a Rust laptop, and a capacitor was missing here. So I fixed the capacitor and clean the rust. Also I changed the VRM section on capacitor, like leaky capacitor. So my laptop is ready now, and if you and then if anytime you find this type of laptop, at first you clean the motherboard first, because maximum problem creates from rust area. So friend, if you like our video, so please subscribe to our channel, and thank you all to watching my video. Thank you so much.